2018 BMW X5 review. Thanks to its well-rounded nature, the BMW X5 is a brilliant choice for an extra crossover SUV. The 2018 BMW X5 serves as a benchmark for that modern luxury performance crossover SUV. It impressively combines the attributes you normally accompany BMW sedan and after that adds true utility. A number of engine choices and trim packages ensures buyers will get the right configuration with regards to needs. The X5 engine options add a turbocharged 6-cylinder 300 horsepower, 300 pound-feet of torque, a diesel 6-cylinder 255 horsepower, 413 lb-ft, a robust V8 445 horsepower, 480 lb-ft and also a plug-in hybrid 308 horsepower, 332 lb-ft. No matter what's within the hood, the X5 simultaneously offers a comfortable ride and sporty handling, along with the X5's all-wheel drive system provides extra traction in wet weather or occasional trip off pavement. There are several downsides for the X5, while using main one being interior space. It's just quite a bit less roomy as some rival crossovers with third-row seats. Some of those rivals have fresher and newer designs, too. But overall we feel the X5 can be a solid pick if you want a high-end vehicle that has a great combined performance and utility. Notably, we picked the 2018 BMW X5 as one of best mid-size SUVs just for this year. What's new? The 2018 BMW X5 is actually unchanged. The diesel-powered X5 xDrive 35D model delivers the best mix of performance and efficiency. Choose the proper options. This is easily the very best value inside the lineup. For safety-conscious purrs, we propose adding the optional driver assistance packages for an additional pair layer of passenger protection. Trim levels and features. The 2018 BMW X5 is usually a mid-sized luxury SUV available in 35i, 35D, 40 and 50i trim levels. All have all-wheel drive xDrive except for your 35i, which comes standard with rear-wheel drive xDrive. A high-performance X5M variant is reviewed separately. There is seating for 5 passengers, with an optional third-row seat increases capability to 7. Standard features to the 35i and 35D models include 19-inch wheels, adaptive xenon headlights, LED fog lights, power folding and heated mirrors, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic wipers, a panoramic sunroof, roof rails, an electrical liftgate, and front and back parking sensors. On the within, you received also an automatic climate control, an energy tilt and telescoping leader, premium vinyl upholstery, power adjustable and heated front seats, driver seat memory functions, 402040 split folding rear seats, BMW Assist emergency communications, a 10.2-inch central display, BMW's iDrive infotainment interface, a navigation system, voice controls as well as a 9-speaker head unit. The 40 plug-in hybrid includes the suggestions above, together with adjustable suspension dampers and rear suspension optional on other X5s, in conjunction with hybrid-specific instrumentation and further iDrive menu items. The X5 50i includes each of the features found inside the 35i in conjunction with keyless ignition and entry, leather upholstery, upgraded front seats, fourth-zone climate control and 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound head unit. Options range from the luxury, X-Line and M Sport equipment lines that contain different wheel designs as much as 20 inches, pallets, and trim and upholstery types. The M Sport includes sport front seats and shift paddles with the transmission. Other bundled options range from the premium package for those but the 50i keyless ignition and entry, Zone climate control and satellite radio, and also the luxury seating package multi-contour front seats with ventilation. The driver assistance package adds a range of driver safety aids, and you may get even more together with the driver assistance plus package. The dynamic handling package for xDrive models adds adaptive dampers, a rear suspension along with a body roll mitigation feature for improved road holding. The lighting package bundles upgraded adaptive LED headlights and automatic high-beam headlight control. Other options to the BMW X5 include Apple CarPlay, a 16-speaker Bang & Olufsen surround sound stereo audio, upgraded or extended leather upholstery, upgraded interior trim and manual sunshades for the rear windows. All X5s except the hybrid is usually equipped with second-row comfort seats with fourth and recline adjustment, along with the third-row seat includes the trunk air suspension. You can also order a rear seat entertainment system as well as a night vision camera system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S within this review use our full test in the 2014 BMW X5 Turbo 3.0 litres inline-6, 8-speed automatic, AWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the existing X5 has brought minor revisions, including changes towards the infotainment unit plus a shuffling of options and trims structure. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the year's X5. Surprising agility and strong, willing engine choices competently move this heavy SUV around. We tested the bottom turbocharged 6-cylinder version on this and found it a lot more than adequate. Acceleration. The 300 horsepower turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine is smooth and refined and has now plenty of torque. There is some slight throttle hesitation from your stop. Shifts through the automatic transmission are similarly smooth. Braking. Adequately firm pedal is straightforward to modulate in driving out. Its stopping ability within a panic situation is fixed less by its brakes and even more by its all-season tires. Steering. The precise steering doesn't always tell you about every divot from the road, nonetheless it doesn't feel synthetic either. Effort is substantial although not off-putting at parking garage speeds. Handling. A heavy vehicle at 4,836 pounds, the X5 seems to get around corners feeling sharp-footed, never ponderous. Capable and confidence-inspiring. Our test car was equipped with all the optional dynamic damper system. Drivability. It's tough to fault the X5 due to its driving dynamics, given its class of vehicle. This is an accomplished machine that sweats the details in the primary driving controls. Comfort. The cabin appointments are first-rate, as well as the X5 comports itself while travelling. Few faults found apart from some extraneous noise, that's likely a consequence from the run-flat tires. Seat comfort. Superb comfort and support on the seats, which can be well suited to long-distance driving. Ride comfort. The X5's suspension is tuned around the firm side, yet it is still efficient at absorbing most road imperfections. From time to time, the ride gets choppy on rough pavement, but this can be the exception but not the rule. Noise and vibration. Road noise is found to a degree which is not quite as much as the standards on the class. Fear is also prominent when noise in the driver's side windshields pillar at elevated freeway speeds. Climate control. The system is simple enough to comprehend and use, though the vents don't create sufficient cooling air with regards to volume and temperature. The vehicle takes too much time to begin feeling comfortable after sitting within a parking lot. Interior. Richly appointed and easy for the eyes, the cabin is really a well-engineered space. Cargo room is often a tick bigger before, nonetheless it's still not exceptional. The running boards are well designed. Ease of usage. The controls are logically laid out and straightforward to access. The X5's knob-based multimedia system xDrive is superior to many touchscreen-based systems. Getting and jetting out. Ingresses, ironically, severely hampered with the running board extensions, which might be too narrow for being useful. It's also an extremely large improvement to the cabin. Driving position. Plenty of seat and tire adjustment. There's a very great deal of movement inside telescoping wheel, too. When ready, the gauges are incredibly clearly visible through the leader, too. Roominess. Lots of headroom and a lot of space to sprawl out, both in the beginning and in back. Visibility. Great view ahead and to your sides. The substantial rear pillars block the vista over your shoulder. Good thing there is a backup camera, however it's an optional extra. Quality. Panels are very well fit with consistent gaps, without squeaks or rattles were found. The interior oozes quality. This is often a well-made crossover. Utility. The X5's cargo area isn't cavernous, because of the exterior dimensions, nevertheless it's appropriate with the segment. The rear hatch is put into two halves, a hatch plus a short tailgate. There's a reasonable number of interior space for storage for your personal items. Technology. This X5 advantages of years of constant refinement of BMW's xDrive system, along with the 2018 version features Apple CarPlay compatibility. The audio and systems both work quite nicely.
Yeah.